Hi, in this video we are going to check how much VRAM we have on Windows 10. VRAM, which is video RAM, is a specific type of RAM that is used in graphics processing units, which are GPUs, for computers. Dedicated graphic cards for computers have their own RAM that is separate from the RAM of the computer they are installed on, which is reserved for memory functions pertaining to display and graphics. Different graphics cards have different amounts of VRAM. The general rule of thumb is that the more VRAM a graphic card has, the better it is, since more VRAM means a graphic card can handle more graphics and display operations at the same time. Since how much VRAM a graphic card has plays a major role in determining just how good a graphic card is, almost every computer user with a dedicated graphic card wants to know how much video RAM their GPU has. Thankfully, doing this is piece of cake, even on Windows 10, the latest and greatest version of the Windows operating system. On Windows 10, a user can go about checking how much VRAM they have on their computer using two different ways. One of them is pretty straightforward process involving nothing apart from built-in system utilities, whereas the other uses a third-party application that is capable of doing a lot more than just telling you how much VRAM your graphic card has. To check how much VRAM on Windows 10 computer, you can use one of the methods we are going to show you in this video. So in first method, all a Windows 10 user needs to do is to go into their display settings, and provided that they know exactly where to go next, they'll be able to find out exactly how much VRAM their computer has. To use this method to check how much VRAM your graphic card has, you just need to press Windows button on your keyboard or press Start button, type display, and you'll see display settings in the search results. Click on display settings. From here, you should be on display tab. Scroll down and click on advanced display settings. Once you are here, click on the display that you are using, and you will see display adapter properties for display 1 option. Click on this option, and on this window you will get to know how much VRAM you have. So dedicated video memory for this computer is 896 MB. Since this is a virtual machine, the numbers can be a little vague. On your computer, on your actual computer, you will see how much dedicated video memory your graphic card has. You can close these windows once you are done. Next method that we have is to use CPUZ to check how much video RAM your computer has. Windows 10 users can also use a third-party application known as CPUZ to check exactly how much video RAM their computer has. CPUZ, however, is good for a lot more than just checking how much VRAM a graphic card has. It can read a GPU's genes and display every bit and piece of information it can find relating to it, from its entire model number to its current running temperature and even when it was manufactured. In addition, CPUZ is also not limited to a computer graphic card. It even gets the scoop on all other important hardware such as the CPU, the computer's RAM, and its cooling fans. To use CPUZ to check how much video RAM on your computer, you just simply have to go to the link given in this video's description. Let me bring up that link here. So from here, just click on download now. Save the file. Once it is downloaded, click on run. Click on yes on the USE prompt. Accept the license agreement. Steps are pretty straightforward. Install the application and then click on finish. Once you are done with it, launch this application, click on yes, wait for the CPUs to detect your computer hardware, and then click on Graphics tab. Okay, so here's a snippet of another computer. Since we were using a virtual machine, we didn't have any information on that. So on this computer, if we select this NVIDIA GeForce GTX, it will tell us what's the size of the VRAM. Apart from this, you can also see a lot of more information using the software about your memory, mainboard, caches, and CPU. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.